Hello people, welcome to Rock That Fashion TV. Today we'll be making face masks. You just have to be careful out there. Stay calm, please stay calm. So you cut a length of 22, then the height should be around 6-7 inches or 8 inches max. So watch closely. You mark as shown. You can use 6 inches. Use 6 inches. Draw a line down. Then watch closely. As you can see, you mark 1.5 from the folded edge, and you mark 1 inch at the top. You come down by 2.5 inches. You'll be sewing with 1/2 inch. So watch how I join the lines or the dots together. It's very easy. I'm trying to make the line as visible as possible. So from the folded edge, you mark out 5.5 inches. At that same line, you come down by 1.25. You give it a slope, as seen in the video. You come down by 1/2 inch at the down part. So at the end of our cutting, we will surely have 4 pieces. So watch carefully. So we have 4 parts, and we will use our stay on the 4 parts. The paper stay serves as a stabilizer and also a filter. We'll be using this around our nose and mouth, so we need something to filter the dirt, the dust. So this stay would act as a filter. You trim, make sure your work is neat. So after trimming, The next stage is to go to the sewing machine to sew. So now we are on sewing machine. So watch closely. Right sides facing each other. We'll sew one part. In this case, I'm using 0.25 sewing allowance. But if you use half an inch, you're still good to go. So we're having two parts. After sewing, make sure to notch. Notches are used around curved parts to allow the fabric lay well. So we notch around as seen in the video. After that is done, we'll place both right side facing each other. We'll sew the top part and the bottom part, leaving off with the side seams open. I'm making sure the fabric are equal on each other. Take your time, don't rush. After that, you do for the upper part. Sew it gently. I'm opening that part so that I will reduce the bulkiness in that area. After that is done, you mark down 1 inch. This is just an opening so that you can turn your the fabric to the right side. You sew with half an inch on both sides. And after that, you notch two around the curved parts. Now elastic, you measure 5 inches. We'll be needing 2, so you cut 2 pieces of our elastic, both 5 inches. Now you turn your face mask to the right side. As you can see, we're almost done with our face mask. After turning, we'll add our elastic. I'm taking my time to lay it flat. Now watch closely how I will sew my elastic to it. Double stitch as much as possible around that place. So here you have it, your face mask is ready. If you found this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.